Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rivet Nut Setter is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling quick and secure fastening in various materials without welding or complex setups. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic tackling a challenging automotive repair, a passionate fabricator crafting custom metalwork, or a DIYer tackling a home improvement project, this tool will significantly enhance your efficiency and the quality of your work, making it a worthwhile investment for any toolbox. Number 5. HARDELL Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started: a sturdy tool, multiple mandrels, and plenty of rivets. It's all ready to go. It's built to last with heat-treated steel mandrels, far more resilient than standard carbon steel. You'll be able to tackle many projects with this kit. The design makes changing mandrels a breeze. The instructions are easy to follow, so you can get started quickly. Use it on vehicles, furniture, metal, plastic, almost anything. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, even in tight spaces. The included case keeps everything organized and protected. You can easily transport it and have everything you need at your fingertips. For smaller rivets, use less force to avoid damaging the mandrel. Don't squeeze the handles too tightly. What we like. It comes with various mandrels and rivet nuts, ensuring you're prepared for most jobs. The durable construction means it'll last. If you need a complete, easy-to-use kit, this is a great choice for various DIY projects and home repairs. What people say. Super simple to use, and the result is a very secure nutsert that will not fail. I have seen several people try to use the cheap manual tools that is basically a large bolt with a bearing, and it never works out well. This tool paid for itself just in the amount of time I saved using it. Works as advertised, good quality tool, used it to mount electrical relays in a control panel. Great addition to my shop. Easy to use. Put threaded rivet nuts into sheet metal, wherever access behind is accessible or not. Perfect for wood lining a panel van. Number 4. AKKTOL Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to make your work easier. It includes everything you need for professional rivet nut installation. It comes with 15 metric and SAE mandrels, giving you the flexibility to work with a wide range of rivet nuts. You'll be prepared for any job. The extra long handles provide increased leverage, making installation significantly easier, especially for larger nutserts. You'll accomplish tasks with 50% less effort. The knurled head design allows for quick and easy mandrel changes without needing extra tools. It's simple and efficient. It's built from high-strength carbon steel with a durable finish for corrosion resistance. It's designed to withstand tough jobs and last for years. This kit includes 125 rivet nuts, a handy spanner, a detailed manual, and a 2-year warranty, all neatly organized in a rugged carrying case. Everything you need is right here. It's perfect for metal fabrication, automotive work, and many other applications. It's the ultimate tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. Its extra long handles make tough jobs easier. The mandrels are a breeze to change, even for beginners. If you need power and durability for heavy-duty automotive or sheet metal work, this is the tool for you. What people say. Well-built, solid tool with one critical thing to know. Note the yellow stroke gauge, this is crucial. The stroke gauge tells the tool how much to crush the rivet. This 16 rivet tool from AKKTOL works well. It came with detailed instructions. It provides a chart that allows you to calculate the stroke length for the size of rivet and the thickness of the metal that you are inserting it into. Using that value and watching the stroke gauge results in a tight compression of the rivet, without overstressing the mandrel. The set comes nicely packaged, and the set of mandrels is more complete than the other brands. One last tip: all mandrels are brittle as they are hardened. Make sure you are square to the workpiece. Number 3. 16-foot Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This innovative tool makes installing rivet nuts incredibly easy. Its unique design significantly reduces time and effort, making your projects faster and simpler. The quick-release nut structure and open handle automatically release after each rivet, eliminating manual unscrewing. You'll save up to 90% of your time and effort. Changing mandrels is a breeze with the new tool-free quick change head design. Simply switch mandrels by hand for different sized nuts. It features a durable, heat-treated 16-inch carbon steel arm for strength and longevity. The non-slip rubber handle ensures comfortable and secure grip. This comprehensive kit includes 13 interchangeable mandrels, 130 rivet nuts, a handy spanner, and a sturdy carrying case for convenient storage and organization. It's perfect for a wide variety of applications, from automotive and bicycle repairs to furniture assembly and more. It's especially useful for off-road vehicle modifications. We are confident you will love this tool. If you have any questions or are unsatisfied for any reason, please contact us. What we like. This tool's unique design automatically releases the rivet after setting. It's designed for speed and efficiency. If you value time saving in a complete kit, this is perfect for professional and frequent users. What people say. The inclusion of 13 different metric and SAE mandrels makes this tool really versatile for various projects. I'm happy with the sturdy build quality, it feels durable and is clearly made to last. The auto-release feature is a good, making the installation of rivet nuts much quicker and more efficient. Took it through a dozen insert rivet jobs and had no issues. The full set of mandrels, metric and SAE, are a plus inclusion. Using stainless steel rivets requires a bit more effort to set the nut in place, but this took it on with ease. Lots of choices for fastener sizes you want. Everything is there for you. Used it several times now. If you find the cert nut is loose, just put the tool back in the cert and press it again. I'm super happy with it. Number 2. Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This kit is designed to improve your efficiency. It's ergonomically designed for comfortable and fast rivet nut installation. It comes with everything you need, a durable tool, 13 mandrels, 130 rivet nuts, and a convenient carrying case. The comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue, and the mandrels are easily interchangeable without extra tools. It's perfect for fastening various materials in many industries, from automotive to furniture. The blow-molded case keeps everything secure and organized for easy transport to any job site. With its efficient design and complete set of tools, this kit will save you valuable time and effort on your projects. What we like. The long handle and ergonomic design make for faster, less tiring work. It includes everything you need to get started. If you prioritize comfort and a comprehensive kit, this is ideal for various applications. What people say. Followed the directions and was able to easily install 2 rivets on the post, thus enabling me to screw the box to it. Resulted in a solid connection between post and box. It's easy to change the size and well as remove the tool after puting on the rivet nut. The tool secured the rivet nut quickly and easily and allowed the secure install of the grab handle. Number 1. FOREVTL 16 Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This kit is the latest generation of rivet nut tools, making installation easier than ever before. It's designed for a wide range of applications and built to last. Unlike older models, you can now change mandrels without needing extra tools. This saves you time and frustration. It comes with a comprehensive selection of metric and SAE mandrels and a large assortment of rivets, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. From home repairs to automotive projects, it's perfect for various tasks. Use it for metal plate fastening, workpiece installation, and much more. The ergonomic handles provide comfortable grip and leverage, while the durable construction ensures long-term reliability. It's built to withstand tough jobs. Everything is neatly stored in a blow-molded case with a clear storage box for the rivets and mandrels. Keeping your tools organized has never been easier. The kit includes the riveter, 13 interchangeable mandrels, 150 rivets, a wrench, a user manual, and a sturdy carrying case. Everything you need is right here. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month warranty and excellent customer support. What we like. Changing mandrels is quick and easy, no extra tools needed. It's versatile enough for many projects. If you value convenience and organization, this kit is a great option for various DIY and professional tasks. What people say. Very nice kit with metric and imperial sizes. Works great, tool is of great quality, packaged really well to help you keep it all organized with labeled storage boxes for each adapter to keep them safe. Very easy to use. I love this tool. I tried all kinds of different ways to put a blind nut in, and this tool put one in just seconds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.